Unlock the power of Twilio by getting your very own programmable phone number, the gateway to seamless SMS, voice, and app integrations. First, log into your Twilio console, navigate to the phone number section in the left-hand menu, and then click on Manage to see your existing numbers or purchase a new one. To acquire a new number, simply click the bright blue Get a Number button. This will open up a search interface. Here, you can specify the country you'd like your phone number to be from. For example, if you're in the United States, select that from the drop-down. Next, you can filter by capabilities if you want to send and receive SMS messages. Ensure SMS is checked for voice calls. Check voice. Twilio will then present you with a list of available numbers matching your criteria. Browse through these options. Some might have specific features or be better suited for international communication. Once you've found the perfect fit, simply click Choose this number. Congratulations, you now have your Twilio phone number. The next crucial step is configuration. Under the Voice and Fax section for your number, you'll see a call COMES, and this is where you tell Twilio what to do when someone calls your number. Similarly, under Messaging, you'll find a message comes in. This dictates how incoming SMS are handled. You have several powerful options. Here you can route incoming calls or messages to a specific URL on your server, send them to another Twilio phone number, or even make Twilio execute a predefined TwiML script for SMS. You can select Webhook and then input a URL where Twilio will send the message content, allowing your application to process it. For voice calls, you can choose to use a TwiML app, which is a pre-built Twilio solution, or again, specify a webhook URL. This webhook will receive details about the incoming call, enabling you to dynamically respond with TwiML instructions. For instance, to play a recorded message or connect the caller to an agent. By correctly configuring these settings, your Twilio number becomes an active communication endpoint, ready to send, receive, and integrate with your applications. This setup is the foundation for building sophisticated communication workflows.